Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was just kind of playing around with the Polygon tool and making some new designs. And I used to have to color these in individually, and just playing around with the Polygon tool. I've just made it 48 sided, and I'm going to hold down the control button. So I've got almost looks like a circle, but I'm going to take the shape tool. I'm going to bring one of them in, and then I'm actually going to add a node and then bring that node up, kind of give it a saw blade look. Now let's take the interactive fill tool and go just from one side to the other. And then let's add some colors. Let's make that outside yellow. Let's make the inside red. Let's put blue on the end. And I'm just bringing colors over. I'm not going to use that pink. Let me get some other colors. Maybe that purple right in there. Well, it's overpowering my other purple. But something like that. Now I'm going to go right here and I want an elliptical fountain fill. Now you can see I'm not in the center, but for the exercise, it doesn't really matter. I'm pretty close now. But now just grab your shape tool and start doing some weird movements. And with some of these polygon nodes, and you can come up with completely different patterns. That doesn't look as good as my first one does, and it might not even be that special in that, but you could completely change things around, when you're intersecting the colors, and then just select it all. And here we go. I've got to go up to my no fill, and I'm going to right click no outline. And there you have a pretty unique pattern. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.